What is up, everybody? Josue here, and we are at the Warner Brothers studio lot to check out The Big Bang Theory. Shout out to Warner Brothers for inviting us to check out their brand new addition to their studio tour, where you can come in and check out, the classic sets of The Big Bang Theory. So let's go. And there you have it. We saw some pretty cool things on these sets, the Big Bang Theory sets that Warner Brothers has created here. So if you want to come check it out, the exhibit actually opens tomorrow. So come on by and stop by the Warner Brothers studio tour lot to check out the Big Bang Theory sets. Once again, thank you, Warner Brothers, for having us out. We really enjoyed our time here. If you like this video, why not consider subscribing? As always, a like would be super appreciated on this video. If you want to follow us on social media, TLEV Media across the board. I've been Josue. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Woo!